What is up, everybody? I hope everybody is having a fantastic day. Welcome back to episode number 4 today of The Journey. Guys, today is going to be an extremely busy and hectic day for myself. I have so many things that I have to get done today, and I leave tomorrow for an autocross event, decent distance away. So my car, I also tore apart the Mini, so I wasn't going to, but I did. I left you guys yesterday with the car on a trailer, but I had to work on my brakes because I'm having some brake problems. Even though I just replaced and put on the brand new R1 Concepts brakes, I'm having some bias problems. So switched everything back around a little bit. I pulled the car off and I've been working on that. So I've got to put the car back together today. I still have to get the regular maintenance done before a track day, which obviously, like I said, Sunday is just an autocross, but then we race at Road Atlanta on Friday. So I've got a lot to do because I really won't have an opportunity to do it once I get back. So got to do the oil, coolant, everything like that, and then eventually get the car loaded back up on a trailer. But in the meantime, I'm actually for the final time ever, I'm in my Focus that I bought just as a daily driver because I didn't want to drive the diesel around every day. And with the Eclipse still being out of commission, I didn't have a car ready to drive on my daily. So, and obviously I'm not driving the race car. So I bought the Focus just to get around. Well, guess what? Next week, we are going to be daily driving the Eclipse.
I do the headbang. I don't really rock. I don't really rock, boy, I do the headbang.
The Eclipse is back. It never really went anywhere. I never really started it with it. But I've been working on it just here and there as I've had time, and we're going to start the process of the build this week or next week once I get back from Atlanta. I do believe that probably sometime early next week it's going to run fine. I've got it running at the point where it's going to run fine. I just need now to start building the motor, doing all the exterior pieces, and just get back to making it look like a beautiful car. So next week we're going to be daily driving the Mini, therefore I don't need the Focus anymore. So we're off right now to go sell the car. I'm meeting someone over here at the BMV and they're going to buy it and I'm going to sell it. So I'm going to get some extra cash in the pocket for this build as well. Alright, so we are back. As you see, car was sold, so we got that. And now it's time to fix the 2 brake problems I'm having. I'm having a handbrake problem and I'm having a brake bias problem. So about to dive into this and get this figured out here. Obviously, I leave tomorrow to go to Akron. Very small event, but still an event. I need brakes. So gonna work on these brakes here, get this taken care of, and this will knock out a big part of today that I need to get done. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take, but this is my number one focus for today because if I don't get this done, I can't race tomorrow. So I absolutely have to get this done. So we're going to do this and we'll see where we go from there. I did sell the car, got my deal, got that extra cash, and that cash is going towards the Eclipse. So super happy about that. Now let's get to work. All right, so great news. The car is running flawlessly. We got the brakes taken care of. Everything is situated, ready to go. The only thing that I've got left to do before leaving tomorrow is the oil change. I need to go to the parts store and go pick up some oil change, or pick up some oil and a filter. Oh, my sponsor sticker coming off. Raceland. My sticker's coming off. I need some new stickers. If you guys want that sponsor on the car, you got to get your sticker fixed. It's coming off a little bit. I need a new one. Anyhow, just got to do the oil change. So I've been very busy. This has taken 2 hours since you've last seen me. So I'm going to go run to the parts store. I need to get a trailer hook for the trailer, a little pin. I need to get my oil emptied out. I need to get new oil, come back, and then do the oil change on the car. Not really sure where we're going yet as far as the rest of this day because I didn't know how long this stuff's going to take. But we're gonna go get this taken care of and go from there. All right, so we got 3 stops. We got the bank because we're buying a toy tonight. We've got Advanced Auto because I need to get oil for the oil change and I need to empty out my old drain pan. And then the 3rd stop is Tractor Supply to get a pin for the trailer because I need to get a new pin. So those are the 3 stops, the 3 errands. Come back, get the oil changed, and then that's probably going to be most of my day. It's currently 2 o'clock. Once I get the oil changed, I'm going probably out to dinner a little bit later, and then going to pick up the new toy, which of course I'm going to take you guys along with. So that's the next step. Let's go get this pin. I know nothing about trailers. I think this is what I need. Guess there's only one way to find out. All right, well that actually worked. Worked better than expected. So I need to go to the bank so I can get the money for El Toy we're buying tonight. I was just at the bank earlier today to deposit money, and now we're going to withdraw money. So back to the bank we go. Got to park in Walmart's parking lot just to get to the bank because there's no spot to park a trailer at the bank. But it is what it is. Well, your boy right here is an idiot, and I forgot that it's Saturday, so the bank closes at noon, at least this location. So now I got to go over there to Giant Eagle because the bank there is open till 5. Yeah, sometimes I can be pretty stupid. Don't recommend listening to me. Just kidding. You can take my advice for certain things, just not to play. Ooh, look how pretty the sky looks. Just don't take my advice when it comes to where to go to bank locations. Nah. All right, so the bank is taken care of. I was able to go there and get what I needed. So it is now off to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, I don't know whichever one's closer, I don't even remember, to get the oil pan emptied out and get myself some oil so I can get this oil change done, and then go back and get that oil change done. I just totally doubled up what I was just saying. Oh, Zane, you can talk some real stupid stuff sometimes. By the way, yeah, let's go. All right, so that was literally the quickest oil change of my life. Now, I would have recorded it in a time lapse and made it look all cool, but there's a reason I didn't, and that's because Ohio State, or AKA Scarlet and Gray, is playing right now on TBT, and I really wanted to watch the game, so I've been going back and forth between commercials. It took me like 10 minutes to do the oil change, but I'm going back and forth through commercials to watch the game, so that's why I didn't record it. Anyhow, we're about to get this first startup since the oil change, let the oil soak in a little bit, and then we're off to Columbus to get some dinner with Matt and Allie, and then we're going to go pick up the new toy. All right, let's see how she goes here. Right. Get her running here a little bit, let the oil sink through. And all is fine and dandy and new. All right, so I just got up to Columbus. We're about to eat. I'm hungry. I got the trailer with me. You really can't see it. And we are gonna go pick up the toy after dinner. Super, super excited. I've been wanting one for quite a long time. I've just never taken the leap. But you know, I'm kind of on this kick of do what makes you happy, and this is gonna make me happy. So that's what we're gonna do.
Is suspended. For how long? Indefinitely.
Oh, you would.
Because I told her the insights on the driver's license.
All right, guys. Well, if you can't tell from what is behind me, I bought a motorcycle. Yes, I just bought a motorcycle. I've never in my life have ridden a motorcycle ever. Not a dirt bike, not anything. The only thing I've ever rode is a 4x4 four-wheeler, and that is it. But I just bought a motorcycle because I want to learn how, and I think it's going to be really cool. And I've also had an idea to do some vlogging from like Columbus to like California on a bike and vlog. I've thought about it. We'll see. Maybe eventually. No, nowhere near right now. But either way, I'm super excited. That was the whole toy, and definitely excited to learn how to ride it. Of course, they're going to be vlogging with the bike, going to learn how to ride it, and going to just have fun and enjoy life. I mean, that's what life's all about. So anyhow, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. I'm going to go home, unload this bike, and then I've got to not only edit this vlog for tomorrow, but I've got to pack everything for the autocross tomorrow. So I've got to go home, pack the car, pack my tools, get everything together and ready to go, because I got to leave at 6 a.m. So as you're watching this, I would have already left about 3 hours from the time this goes live. So I've got a lot to do. I'm going to head home and do that. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. We are headed to Akron for autocross. I do apologize. I do want to say this. Obviously, there's no like business tips today. I apologize, but hey, that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Just extremely busy. Had no time to even sit down, draw up a script. This was just my day today. I mean, it's almost 9 o'clock. This is how it works sometimes. So appreciate you guys staying patient with me. I'll see you guys next video. Peace out. And remember, you create your own story.
Work for myself and no one else, cause I'm too smart to put one of my partners right through culinary art.